everyone, we now arrive at the MIDORI as New City Binyong. This project is under two big developers from Japan and Vietnam, the Tokyu Corporation and Becamex IDC. Let's go into the sales gallery of Tokyo Garden City. Getting in the sales gallery, you can see the size of Tokyo Garden City is huge. With the map here, this is a master plan of Tokyo Garden City at New City of Binyong. Inside this master plan, other than Becamex Tokyo, there are other developers too. Some major developers acquire different lands within this master plan. You can now see here that I show the big piece of land has been acquired by Capital Land and will develop low-rise residential and apartment units. Where I am now is Sora Garden, which is a completed project. You can see here's the shopping mall at Sora Garden. When we get in the area, you can see the City Hall, which will have a metro line coming in the near future from Ho Chi Minh City to Tokyo Garden. Within Tokyo Garden City development, there are hospitals, schools, there are already two established international schools. One is a Taiwanese international school and one is a Singapore international school. We are now selling the most luxury apartment units here at the MIDORI, only 24 units on 17th floor. Views will be overlooking the low-density houses with guaranteed open view for the whole township. So the view is really nice, and a Singapore International School next door too. Since VSIP2 is next to Tokyo Garden City, there are a lot of buyers and tenants from there. Factory owners, expatriates working in VSIP2, as well as local Vietnamese. From here, back to Two Dot Mall Old City will be about 20 minutes. So you can see Binyong government and Tokyo corporations has built a new township as the heart of a new CBD area at Binyong. Now, other than City Hall, there are actually a lot of government officials has moved from Old City to New City. Fire Department is one of. Becamex is Vietnam government and developer of Tokyo Garden City. There will be hotel, offices, and shopping mall with great shopping and dining options. You can spend, entertain, and live within the township. One indicator we can see will be a Starbucks coffee shop there already. And here is the cultural center. Okay, let's walk over to the building model of the MIDORI. It is a huge area under MIDORI Park. There are now only 24 units in this two tower on the 17th floor for Hong Kong market, which is around this level. That is why I mentioned when we're looking out, you can see villa view, also garden view within the building. See, the swimming pool and garden view are nice. For those who like interior view, definitely can choose here looking over the garden. This will be green and waters. Okay, let's walking over to the showroom area. Allow me to show you now a unit with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Wow, it is so nice. Through the door, it will be dining living room area. Here's the kitchen area, which is semi-open kitchen. You can see the built-in cabinet are all included. There is fitted unit now, and handover condition will be a white cabinet. You can see the dining living room area which can fit in a dining table for 4 and very spacious living room. Looking out, there is a balcony in each unit and of a good size. See? You can see the environment of new city with a lot of greenery and open view. It is a guarantee of fresh air as a resident here. The view are very open too. Let's look at the bedrooms. For the first bedroom, there is a ensuite. On the right side will be a washroom and some wardrobe. It fits perfectly on a queen-size bed, still with a good space around. You can see the big windows here, which capturing very good natural daylight, similarly to the window in the living room. Let's go to the second bedroom. On the second bedroom, they set it as a guest room. Which now has a sitting area, a piano and TV. This showroom has put a compact bedding which you can just put down the bed as a sleeping room. The floor-to-ceiling window will be connected to the balcony on the other side, which links to the living room too, a very smart design indeed. That is similar to Hong Kong new property handover condition, which has all built-in electric appliances. You can see in the living room that have a guest bathroom and standing shower. The interior decorations here is simple and elegant. Developer has also addressed to me that new city area has different industrial parks. In Binyong area, there are 2. And there are fire department and a lot of government department moved already. Hospitals, schools, including 2 international schools already up and running. You can expect the tenants pool to be locals as well as expatriates working in VSIP too. Currently for phase 1 at Sora Garden, which is sold out. Just now the staff working here with the developer is a Taiwanese. She mentioned that a lot of Taiwanese families actually love the neighborhood and choose the unit here. Now we only have 24 units for Hong Kong market exclusively. Just now we have seen the showroom, and Becamex IDC has also building model on handover conditions for buyers to see. What would be the condition of the unit upon that's over handover? You can see the floors are of different material and it is shown here. You can now see the 2-bedroom, very good layout. And the handover condition will be like 2 bedrooms of wooden floor and dining living room with kitchen using tiles. Kitchen has also built-in stove and cabinet which will be white instead of darker color in the showroom. So you don't have to worry about your own renovation. You can see the bathroom have nicely done on standing shower and glass doors too. That is all done. You can see how well the planning of showroom gallery. And where I locate now is Kikari, which is the center of Tokyo Garden City and a food court. Behind me here is the government city hall. It's moved and running. And also you can see the shuttle bus stop running through the whole Tokyo Garden City. It shows how well planned on the infrastructures, and the shuttle bus running through the gardens, the Tokyo Garden City for the convenience of residents. The master plan has really well planned and thought through. In this Hikari area, which is restaurants and leisure areas, a lot of options including this newly opened Japanese yakiniku that you can also find in Ho Chi Minh City, and also a sushi restaurant here. Walking around Hikari, you can see there's still some retail space available, but the occupancy has now over 80%. This opened in August this year, and you can see how well developed as retail and restaurants already open for business for residents here. There has been a lot of choices already. Different restaurants will be opening up very soon. Look at the pizza place 4P, which is very popular in Vietnam. And there's a coffee shop as well as a Starbucks. Everybody knows Starbucks is always a benchmark for you to know if the place is really of international.